What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty, your Southwest Florida realtor. What happened? Oh, door closed behind me. Sorry about that. Anyway, back to the intro. Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty, bringing you another beautiful home tour. For today's video, you are checking out the Freeport, brought to you by DR Horton here in Cape Coral, Florida. The Freeport is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,499 square feet. I'm going to go ahead and flip that camera around, put on some music for you to listen to, and let you take the tour. I'm going to check back in with you when the tour is complete, give you my contact info, pretty much the same script I've been running for the last 2 years. But you guys still don't call me. I'm just kidding. I do get calls, texts, and emails from interested buyers and sellers like yourself. So without further ado, I'll flip that camera around, let you guys take the tour. We'll see you in a few minutes. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's home tour video. As always, check that description box for all the specs on this property and also for my contact information. Give me a call, shoot me a text if you have any questions about this model, DR Horton, any other DR Horton models, or real estate here in Southwest Florida. Appreciate you guys taking the time to check out the video. As always, hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate that. And I think that's about it for today. I'm going to head on over to the next property that I'm going to tour, so keep an eye out for that video. I'll link it in the description box below with all of the specs and contact information. Chris Jarzik, MVP Realty. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and I will see you on the next one.